we're headed down Highway 12 by the town of Anola to view a stunning 5-acre property. We have an amazing 5-acre property to show you today that has lots of cool features, outbuildings, a big shop, and tons of value. The home is at a complete renovation, newer windows, updated kitchen, hardwood floors, and the basement's unfinished, ready for your touches. This home has been impeccably maintained, and if you loved it as much as we did, give us a call, shoot us a message. We'd love to show it to you.